Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an invoice in Wix. Now, creating invoices might seem a little tricky at first, especially if you've never done it before, but Wix actually makes it really straightforward once you know where to go. This is a feature that's super useful for anyone running a business or managing clients because it keeps everything professional and organized. Throughout this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from setting up your invoice to customizing it to match your brand. Even if you've never created one before, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident doing it on your own. So stick around, follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll be ready to send out your first professional Wix invoice without any hassle. First thing is first, we will open our Wix dashboard. After that, we go to the left side of the screen and hover over the option that says Getting Paid. Then a new option appears, where we click the one that says Invoice. Then a new screen appears. As you can see, there appears an option that says Get Started, which we are going to click. Then a new screen appears where we can customize our invoice. Here you can customize the issue date to match when the invoice was created. You can also set your preferred due date for when the payment should be completed. You can also choose a customer by clicking it, and add discounts or request a deposit. After finishing all the required informations, we will scroll up and click the option that says Send Invoice. Alright, and that brings us to the end of this tutorial on how to create an invoice in Wix. As you can see, once you know where everything is, the whole process becomes really simple and easy to manage. It's a great way to keep your business organized and make sure everything looks professional when dealing with clients. I definitely recommend taking a few minutes to explore the different customization options available so you can make your invoices match your style or brand. The more comfortable you get with these tools, the faster and smoother your workflow will become. And once you've created your first invoice, the rest becomes even easier since you'll already understand how everything works, so don't hesitate to practice a bit and get used to the system. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.